RAM ripped the guts out of the extendable leash, so I'm going to show you how I fix them. You can make these last for like 5 years easily if you know how to fix them. So you got to use the tweezers to grasp the metal strip and drive it down in between this split. See, there's like a split in that plastic column. There's a little split in that plastic column, and you got to use the tweezers to drive that down in between. They really don't make it easy to work on these. All right, now I got the band down installed. Now I can pull this out, and I can snap that plate that's in between this and the wheel. Snap it back together. Oh, there, you gotta line it up. You gotta kind of look down in there and line up that door. Little latches. There we go. Got snap. And there's one more left I gotta get snapped. There we go. There we go. Now it's snapped in place. So now I got all the 4 snaps snapped back in place. So this whole wheel is one unit again, and the inner metal band, the end of it is going through that slit. Now I need to wrap it up. You could do that quicker by winding it. I think it ravel itself up. Whoa. Make sure it stays flat. Alright, now I got it back on. All I need to do is tension it with another rotation. Make sure that it retracts back with enough power. I'm gonna go around once more. Go. All right, that's how you fix a broken Flexi. Awesome.